All right, I think we are recording. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the sofa. We are already on episode 7 today.
Episode 7. I am ready. My brain is big, my coffee is hot, and I am actually not tired today.
That is a complete miracle. Usually, you are always tired, or you are hungry, or you are both tired and hungry. But I am very glad you have energy today because, well, today we are going to talk about fun.
Fun, like eating pizza.
I knew you were going to say that. No, not just eating. We are going to talk about what you do when you are not working. We are going to talk about your free time.
Oh, free time. I really love free time. My favorite thing to do in my free time is, honestly, just sleep. I sleep a lot.
You cannot just sleep all day. People do other things. People have hobbies.
Hobbies. Hobbies. What is a hobby?
A hobby is an activity you do just for fun. You do it in your free time. It is not your job. It does not pay you money. It is just for you, to make you happy.
Ah, okay. I understand. So, like playing a sport.
Exactly. That is actually our very first action word today. The word is play. P-L-A-Y, play. You use this word for games and for sports.
Play. Okay. So, I can say I play football.
Perfect. You play football. You play tennis. Or, if you like computers, you can play a video game.
Oh, I play video games. I play video games on the weekend. A lot. Sometimes I play until it is nighttime.
I believe that. Video games are a very popular hobby. Do you play with your friends?
Yes, I play with my friends on the internet. We play car games. We drive fast cars. It is very fun.
That sounds great. So, that is the word play. Now, the second action word is for books, or for magazines. The word is read. R-E-A-D. Read.
Read. Okay, like looking at the words on the paper. I read a book.
Yes, you read a book. You read a newspaper in the morning. You read a text message on your phone.
I do not really like reading. It makes my eyes very tired. I read one page of a book and then I just want to sleep.
That is totally okay. Not everyone likes to read big books. Reading takes a lot of focus, but you do read every day. You read signs in the city. You read the menu when you buy your pizza.
Oh, that is true. I read the pizza menu very fast because I know exactly what I want.
See, you are a reader. Now, what if you want to look at a screen instead of paper? What if you want to see a movie?
Oh, we use our eyes. So, I see a movie. Or maybe I look at a movie.
Close. Very close. But for a screen or a television, we use the word watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch.
Watch. Okay, so I watch a movie. I watch television.
Yes, you watch things that are moving. You watch a football game on TV. You watch a funny video on your phone.
Wait, so let me understand this. I play a video game, but I watch a movie.
Exactly. That is a perfect way to remember it. You play games because you are doing the action. Your hands are moving. You watch movies because you are just looking at the action. You are sitting on the sofa.
Ah, okay, that makes complete sense. I watch the game, but the men on the grass play the game.
You are getting so smart. Yes. Now, let me make sure we have this. We have play for sports and games. We have read for books and words. We have watch for television and screens. What is next?
I do not know. What else do people do?
Well, the fourth one is for your ears. When you have music playing or someone is talking, you listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen.
Listen. Wait, the letter T is it silent? Listen.
Yes, very good catch. The letter T in listen is completely silent. We do not say listen, we say listen. So you say, I listen to music, or I listen to a podcast.
Like this podcast, I listen to English on the sofa.
Exactly. You are doing a hobby right now just by sitting here. You are listening to a podcast.
Wow. Play, read, watch, listen. That is actually very easy. But how do I ask someone else about their hobbies? Like if I meet a new person at the supermarket.
Ah, that is a great question. You need to use our detective word from episode 5. Do you remember the question word for things?
Who is for people? Where is for places? When is for time? Oh, what? The word is what.
Yes. You ask the person, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? Okay, let me practice this. Teacher, what do you do for fun?
Well, I like to read books, and I play tennis on Saturday mornings.
Tennis. That is a very fast sport. You hit the small green ball, you run a lot.
Yes, I do run a lot. It makes me very tired. What about you? What do you do for fun?
I watch movies, and I listen to music, and, I walk my dog.
Wait, you have a dog. You did not tell me you had a dog. We talked about animals in episode 6, and you kept it a secret.
Yes, I have a dog. My dog is big, and my dog is very fast. His name is Max.
That is wonderful. Max is a great name. Walking your dog is a very good hobby. It gets you outside in the fresh air.
Yes, we go to the park. The park is very good for dogs. Max likes to run. He likes to play.
Does Max play with a ball?
Yes. I throw the ball and Max runs very fast to get it. So we play together.
That is a perfect use of the word play. Okay, let us learn just a couple more hobby words today, because people do many different things in their free time.
Okay, give me more words. I have a big brain today.
What about making food? When you are in the kitchen and you are preparing a meal, that is cooking. cooking. Cooking.
Cooking, yes. I am very bad at cooking. Everything I cook turns black. It is very sad.
Oh no, everything turns black. That is probably why you always buy pizza from the store.
Yes, the pizza man is a very good cook. I am a bad cook. If I cook, the house smells bad.
Well, cooking is a very popular hobby for a lot of people. Some people find it very relaxing. They listen to music, and they cook a nice dinner.
Maybe one day I will learn. What is another hobby? What about going to new places, like going to the beach, or going to another country? Is that a hobby?
Yes, absolutely. Traveling is a fantastic hobby. Traveling. Traveling. You go to new cities, you meet new people, you eat new food. I really want to travel, but the airplane is very expensive. I do not have a lot of money for airplanes. It can be very expensive, yes, but you can travel on a train or you can travel on a bus. It is much cheaper, and you still get to see beautiful new things out the window.
That is true. I like the train. We learned that the train is fast.
Yes, it is. So, let us review your personal hobbies. Tell me what you like to do.
Okay, my hobbies are watching movies, listening to music, walking my dog Max, and eating pizza.
I will accept eating pizza as your own special hobby. You are very dedicated to pizza.
I am. Pizza is my best friend, after my dog.
Okay, my friend. Let us do a fast review of all the new action words we learned today before we go.
Okay, I am ready. Test me.
What is the action word for sports and games?
Play. Like I play football, or I play video games.
Good. What is the action word for books and newspapers?
Read. I read a book, even if it makes my eyes tired.
Yes. What is the action word for a television or a movie screen?
Watch. I watch TV. I sit on the sofa and I watch a long movie.
And the action word for music or podcasts?
Listen, with a silent letter T. I listen to music.
What is the action word for making food in the kitchen?
Cooking, which I am very bad at doing.
And the word for going to new cities or countries?
Traveling, like taking a fast train to the beach.
Excellent. You got them all perfectly. And what is the important question we learned today?
The question is, what do you do for fun?
Yes, you can now talk to native English speakers about your free time. You can walk up to anyone and ask them what they like to do. I really can. This is so helpful. I feel very confident. You should feel confident. You are doing an amazing job. Well, thank you to everyone listening to us today. Your homework for this week is to write down your own hobbies in English.
Yes, write them down and tell your dog about your hobbies.
Exactly. Talk to your dog or your cat in English. Tell them what you do for fun. We will see you all next time for episode 8. Have a great week, everybody.
Goodbye, everyone. Go play a game today.